Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of data science. Whether you are a beginner or simply curious to know this field, this video will be the introduction to the data science and its application. So let's get started. So today's video's agenda is we will look what is data science, importance of data science, applications of data science, skills required for data science, and tools and technologies used in data science. So let's start by understanding what exactly data science is. So actually it is an interdisciplinary field that combines scientific methods, process, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from a structured and unstructured data which is available around us. It involves extracting, cleaning, analyzing, visualizing and interpreting data to make informed decisions and predictions. So actually now let's move what are the importance of data science. So in today's data driven world, it is very crucial. It allows us to make sense of vast amounts of data and uncover valuable insights. By harnessing the power of data science, businesses can make informed decisions, optimized processes and gain a competitive edge. So what are the applications of data science? So the applications can be found in various fields. So first field you can see is business analytics. It helps businesses analyze customer behavior, optimize marketing strategies and forecast the trends. In the field of social media and recommender system, it powers personalized recommendations, sentiment analysis and social network analysis. In the field of healthcare, it aids in disease prediction, drug discovery and personalized medicine. Field of finance, actually data science is used for risk assessment, fraud detection, algorithmic trading. You can see credit fraud detection. These are the examples. When I move to the transportation side, it enables route optimization, traffic prediction, self-driving technologies. These all are the applications of the data science. So to master the data science, what skills are need to fit, right? So if you are pursuing a career in the data science, certain skills are very much essential. First one is programming, like Python or R. These are the crucial for data manipulation and analysis. You can start with either Python or R. Second one is statistics and mathematics. These are the fundamentals, core thing of data science. Understand statistical concepts, mathematical models. These are essential for your accurate predictions and drawing insights. Third one is data visualization. The ability to present data effectively through charts, graphs and dashboards. This will help to communicate insights to stakeholders. The fourth one is machine learning. Knowledge of machine learning algorithms and techniques is the key building predictive models. Fifth one is domain knowledge. Familiarity with the specific field you are working. It will enhance your ability to interpret and apply data science techniques effectively. If you are working in a transportation, so it will there must be your domain knowledge also, that it will enable you the route optimization, traffic prediction. So what are the tools and technologies which are used in data science? The first one is Python. It is a versatile programming language widely used in data science due to its rich ecosystem of libraries like NumPy, Pandas and scikit-learn. Second one is R. It is a statistical programming language popular for its extensive collection of packages and built-in statistical functions. Third one is SQL. It is a structured query language and it is essential for working with the relational databases. Fourth one is, I will tell you, Tableau or Power BI. These are the data visualization tool that helps create interactive and insightful visualization. One you need a tool is Visual Studio Code, or you can go with the Jupyter Notebook. Now in Visual Studio Code you can integrate in Jupyter Notebook. It is an interactive coding environment that allows you to write, execute and share code along with the visualizations and explanations. So these are all about the data science in the brief. Thanks for watching the video.